Hey guys, I am going to perform and teach the card trick we learned today, Tuesday, for our everyday trick, daily trick. So I'm going to start out by finding my two red queens. In this case it's green because they're a fancy deck of cards. Okay. There they are. Now I'm just gonna take a random 13 cards and start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. I'm gonna just shuffle these for you. And now I'd like Tyler to pick a card, any card. Okay. I'm gonna place that card on top, do a couple shuffles, and maybe some more. And now that it's all mixed up, I'm gonna take my two red queens, place one on the top and one on the bottom, and what I'm gonna do is spell out between the two red queens in hopes to find your card in between them. Okay, so B, E, T, W, E, E, N. Place that on top. T, H, E, T, W, O, R, E, D, Queens, Q, U, E, E, N, S. Okay, so by just spelling out all those words between the two red queens, we have found your card. That's your card? Okay, cool. So, now I'm going to teach you how to do it. What you're going to need is just 13 random cards and also your two red queens. So get that out, and then what you're gonna do is you can give this little pile of 13 to your spectator and have them shuffle, or you can shuffle or just start the trick. So I'm gonna have Tyler pick a card again. And for the sake of learning, I'm just gonna see it also. So it's it's the same card. Well, it doesn't matter. We're gonna use this card. So actually, we're going to use a different non-face card just so it's easier for you guys to differentiate the queens from their card. Okay, so two of clubs. What we're going to do is put their card, so the two of clubs, face down on top of the deck. And now what we're going to do is we're going to have our C-shaped hand, and you're putting the cards in your dominant hand, so the hand that you write with. I am right-handed, so I'm putting in my right hand with the backs facing outward. So it's not this, it's this. And so what you're going to do is have a taco hand. At least this is how I taught it, so it's more understandable. You have a taco hand, and you go underneath with the thumb being on top, and you just slide using pressure from your thumb and slide down, and you got their card basically. And you then, because you're trying to force their card to go on the bottom, that's the important part of this shuffle. So what you're gonna do, you have it, and now you're gonna go on top and just release some of the cards like that, and then hold these and take them out. And then you can either do it 2 more times or just do it the once where you go, this is their card. You go like this, drop, drop, and then you have their card on the bottom. So that's all it is. And now you're going to say, okay, I'm going to take the two red queens, put one face up onto the top, and then the other on the bottom. You just put it down on top of it. And then you're going to say, okay, now we're going to spell it out. You spell each word out separately and then put the rest of the pile on top. So between B-E-T-W-E-E-N. Then you place this part on top. Then the T-H-E-T-W-O-2, red, R-E-D, Q-U-E-E-N-S. And you should end with the one of the queens face up before putting on top. Queens. And then you're gonna tell them, okay, so we just spelled out between the 2 red queens, and sure enough, your card is between the 2 red queens. So that's how you do it, and I hope you guys were able to understand it. And if you liked this trick the most out of the week, then be sure to practice for the magic show on Friday. Bye.